Hi, I'm Ryan Nickel, CTO at DSA Ocean, and today I want to talk about setting up rubber cords in the ProteusDS Oceanographic Designer parts library. So an example of rubber cord is what's supplied with data well wave measurement buoys. This is a very elastic component that can stretch many times its length under relatively low load, and it does a great job at isolating the wave measurement buoy from the reaction loads from the moorings. But how do you put this up in the parts library for an Oceanographic Designer system? Well, we don't have a rubber cord component type right now, but a quick way to do this today is by using the fiber rope element. So if you look at the data well 200 meter template mooring, you'll see how that's set up in here. So here's the sample file you can download off our website. You can see there's the rubber cord component there. And we just want to add a dummy part here, and just to look at the material properties, under fiber rope you can see we have the data well rubber cord. Now how you go about entering these values is you only put in one value for the minimum breaking load and the associated elongation value, and that'll make a linear relationship for the stretch behavior. And there are multiple values provided on the spec sheet, but right now a linear relationship does pretty well because there's just so much stretch in the component. It does a really good job at isolating the buoy from the reaction loads. One way to do this is just to pick the largest elongation value. So at 400% elongation, you can pick the value you want to use for the load that should be achieved at that elongation value. So we put in 100% of the breaking load of 500 kilograms for this 27 millimeter diameter line. So that's a quick way to get started. If you feel more comfortable with lower elongation values that are more reasonable for your simulation, you could try that, but I don't think you'll see too much difference. But judge for yourself and find the best way forward. It's a simple approximation and a great way to get started. All right, thanks for watching.